So it adds humidity. It's got 200 milliliter capacity, auto shut off, ultrasonic technology, firewood kind of simulation, and simulated flames. Comes with a remote, and there's all the different colors you can get this thing in. It's pretty simple to set all up. Let's go ahead and let's take it out of the package and see what we got here. I just got this thing in, and I kind of tinkered around with it a little bit, but I'm just going to show y'all what all you get. So there's some instructions for the remote. So here's the unit itself. It kind of looks like a little fire pit, everybody. Take that top off. Inside of here, you're going to get your remote. Yeah, you just add water down in there and a couple of droplets, and I think you're all good to go. Does that come up? That does not lift up. Right here's the plug. This thing does need to be plugged into an outlet. It looks like it's a 0.5 amp max. Let's go ahead, let's plug this thing up, get some water in it, and let's put a little essential oil in there, and let's see what this thing smells like and how it works. Okay, so I went ahead and added water. There's a max line in there. You can kind of see the look of it. This is the essential oils that I use, the Laguna Moon. This is the essential oil kit. So we've got a cinnamon here. Opening it up. This is a new one, actually. It said 5 drops. Wow, that's probably 5 drops right there. Let me show you how it looks when it went in there. It kind of looked and it changed colors a little bit. Now you just put this back on there just like that. Pops into place. Check it out, everybody. Hit the power button. Wow, look at that. Simulated smoke coming out of here. And I don't know how well you can see it, but it's got the smoke coming out the top. That looks awesome. And it's got a light that lights up, so it looks like fire down in there. You can change the color with this button right here to a multicolor right there. You can turn it off. There it is. It's got a kind of back and forth on its colors. Yeah, it's got so many different colors on it, and the colors match the front right here. This thing looks awesome. Now the buttons here do the same thing, and there's also a 1 hour, 3 hour, and 5 hours. So it'll go off after 5 hours, or that's just continuously on. Now that would just set on the desk right there, and let's let it go a little bit. You guys see how much smoke is coming out of here? What if we took this off? Oh, you see what it's doing down in here? It's building up the smoke right here, and then it's coming out. So it's diffusing out there. So it just goes on like that. It builds up. Now the longer you let it sit there, it's really coming out nicely. This is one of the better kits right here, everybody. I really like the looks of this thing. This thing seems awesome. If you got a bedroom, a desk, or just an area where you want to run a nice looking diffuser where it just kind of like goes like that all the time, this is what I recommend. And the fact you got a remote, you can hit it on across the room, and then it's good to go. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the Aroma Diffuser. See y'all in the next video.